Hi guys, I'm from Multiplewarnas kitchen. So for today I'm going to do frothy cappuccino coffee. So the ingredients are pretty simple. All you need is full cream low fat milk, levista coffee powder, and also finely grinded sugar, caster sugar, and a bowl. So that's it. Let's proceed to the video. 1 cup of milk, add into a blender and blend it. Sufficient amount of levista coffee. So to the powder, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of boiling hot water. If you want, you can add 1 more. And then add in the sugar. It depends on the amount of sweetness you need. I'm going to add a very little sugar. A little amount will do. So what you have to do is, just whisk it. Whisk the mixture until you get into a very pale, brown in color, something like a caramel. Beat and whisk. If you want, you can add in more water, to dilute it. You can see the color changing. So guys, look at the color. You should get something like this. A pale brown color. Whisk until you get this consistency. We already blended the milk. As you can see. So now what you have to do is take 1 tablespoon of the coffee. The whisked coffee. Add in the milk. So now your coffee, the levista frothy cappuccino coffee is ready to be served. Okay, you can drink it while cold or hot. Okay, it depends on you. Okay, let me taste it. It's so good. Okay, the sugar level is just perfect. Okay, very, very, very yummy and delicious. Okay, enjoy your coffee time. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and also like this video if you like them, and I would like to say a very, very, very thank you, okay, for supporting my channel all this while. Okay, please support more. Okay, thank you and happy new year 2021. Bye guys. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye bye.